Let's talk pineapple. Hello my lovelies and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a beauty secret straight from your fruit bowl, pineapple. It's packed with skin-loving vitamins and enzymes and I've seen amazing results in my own routine. We're diving into the top 6 beauty benefits of pineapple, plus a super easy DIY face mask you can try at home. Grab a cuppa, get comfy and let's get started. First up, pineapple is a powerhouse for brightening your skin. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, it helps fade dark spots and evens out your complexion. It's like a natural glow booster, no fancy serums needed, just a simple radiant boost from a fruit you already love. Struggling with breakouts? Pineapple's bromelain enzyme is your new best friend. It calms inflammation and fights bacteria, helping to clear up spots gently. No harsh treatments, just clearer, calmer skin. It's a natural way to tackle blemishes and keep your skin happy. Pineapple is also a gentle, natural exfoliator. Bromelain dissolves dead skin cells, revealing smoother, softer skin without harsh scrubs. It's like a mini facial at home, easy and effective. Perfect for sensitive skin that needs a fresh start. Want firmer, plumper skin? Pineapple's vitamin C supports collagen production. More collagen means fewer fine lines and a youthful bounce. It's a simple, natural way to keep your skin looking its best. Add pineapple to your routine for a boost of firmness. Pineapple hydrates your skin inside and out. Its high water content and B vitamins soothe dryness and irritation. Your skin feels soft, supple and refreshed, like a big drink of water. Perfect for those dry, tired days. Dealing with scars or dark spots? Pineapple's antioxidants help speed up skin healing. Regular use encourages new healthy skin cells to surface. Over time, scars and spots fade for a clearer complexion. It's a gentle way to reveal your best skin. That's 6 amazing pineapple beauty benefits. Always use fresh pineapple and patch test before applying to your face. Try my DIY pineapple brightening face mask. Recipe in the description. Use it once a week for best results and rinse off if you feel any irritation. Let me know in the comments if you try it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.